Who's the best mimic in the animal kingdom? No, it's not a parrot. It's this shy bird from Australia, the lyrebird. This bird can imitate almost any sound he hears. Chainsaws, kamera shotguns, car alarms, even human voices. But why? It's not just for fun. The male lyrebird uses these sounds during mating season to show off. The more sounds he can copy, the more impressive he seems to potential mates. It's like his own mixtape of the forest. And don't be fooled by his fancy tail. He doesn't use it for flying. He uses it for dancing, to dazzle and charm. This bird can even mimic other birds so well that scientists get fooled. And guess what? They don't just memorize these sounds overnight. They practice them for years. The lyrebird is part musician, part magician, and all genius. So the next time you hear a chainsaw in the middle of a forest, it might just be this bird showing off.